Yesterday, we implemented self-restraint and did not adopt an Icelandic cat from the organic barley farm. We hiked to
Strútsfoss,
but could not see it with the low cloud cover. It's breakfast time. It's really good. It's barley and raisins and apples.
cook for a whole hour. We are off to try to get parking at the waterfall, up 1,300 feet, and then maybe back to the foss from yesterday.
It's really nice out, actually. Even though the clouds are relatively low, they're not as low as yesterday. So the waterfall is on the other side. All right, we're choosing the snacks. What are we gonna have? I want the organic clusters. Those are good. So we are going all the way up there. Sadly, we'll never get to try the Hengifoss food truck because they have no electricity. But next time! Hengifoss might be the second or third highest foss in Iceland. Okay, we've gone 5 feet. It's time for some Go Raw organic clusters. These are very good, I like them.
Snack, snack, snack! It's a pretty cool hike. Yeah, we couldn't do this last night because you couldn't see the... We're having cookies from Bakari. GK Bakari.
We're seeing fosses on the way to the fosses. About halfway up the trail, there is a pretty epic foss surrounded by towering basalt columns. It is so cold. I don't even know what the temperature is, but I think it's 30s.
What is that? Everyone going down the trails on their devices. I don't know what they're doing. Checking their retirement. I mean, it's like it's a beautiful view of a lake and mountains, and they're all on their devices.
Yeah, all of them. It was like
Maybe they're Instagrammers.
Maybe they're Instagrammers.
Maybe they're YouTubers.
Maybe they're hosting right now. It could actually be true.
Check out my vlog.
Check out my blog. Check out my link. Check out my merch. Maybe we need merch.
Oh, I got merch.
At the end of the trail, there were a lot of small stream crossings. We were so glad that we had waterproof boots. The parking lot was crowded, but the trail wasn't too bad. I would recommend checking the cruise ship schedule to avoid tour groups. Don't jump off the ledge. Sadly, we lost our drone landing pad. If you look carefully, you can see it on the side of the canyon.
Heather would not let me climb down the canyon to retrieve it. I feel like I'm on a YouTube video.
You're on a YouTube video.
We're on our YouTube channel.
And our YouTube channel.
Stay tuned to see what we'll do next.
We are pretty crazy.
Who says this is just for millennials? We are totally YouTubers. We just didn't know it yet. You talk about our feelings. Like today I was in a hurry. I don't know why.
Hike number 2.
With endless daylight, we return to Strútsfoss.